Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video. Listen, if you're not selling cassette players and you're going to thrift stores, garage sales, auctions, estate sales, if you're on Facebook Marketplace, I mean, honestly, you're losing out on a lot of money. And in this video, I want to share with you 13 examples of actual cassette players which have sold on eBay. Now, mostly we're going to be covering three brands, Sony, Panasonic, and Toshiba. But there are other brands as well. There's a lot of money to be made with these items, okay? First and foremost, make sure you test these items out if they're used. If they are broken, defective, they still will sell, but obviously for not as much money. If you could find these items new, big bucks, I'm talking hundreds of dollars. And if you could find them complete with the actual headphones as well, we're talking even more money. So with that being said, without further ado, let's dive into this video. And hey, before we get started as well, make sure if you want to learn more about what to buy and sell, if you want to grow your eBay and Amazon business literally 10 times faster, check out the Reseller Sourcing Handbook. Okay, this is a service that I created where you're going to learn about 5 brand new items every single day. 5 completely new items, different niches. These are items just like what I'm going to share with you today, the cassette player, that you can flip and make really good money. So if you want to grow your business, it starts with your education. So let's start off with the first item right here. This is a Toshiba KT4049. This sold for 129 bucks. Doesn't look like anything special. This is probably something you can find at your local Goodwill in a bag for $3.99. What makes this special is, number one, it's Toshiba, and number two, it works, and number three, it's complete with the headset right here. So 125 bucks for this item. You always want to open up the battery pack, make sure there's not a ton of corrosion. You can still fix it, clean it out, test it out. Make sure you pick up some AA batteries and whatnot to make sure it's working properly. But what makes this even more special is it comes with the original box. So some collector probably was willing to pay up for that. If it didn't come with the box, if it didn't come with the headphones, it probably would have been half the price. But 125 bucks right there. They're putting it as new. I mean, I don't know how new this is. Do you think this is new, buddy? You wanna be in a video? Everybody say hi to Harry. Whoa. But yeah, that was a really cool flip right there. Next on deck, we have a badass Panasonic. Look at this thing. This thing looks crazy. These crazy looking cassette players, Sony has some of them as well. You guys remember back in the day, they used to build these where it wouldn't skip, like they were built strong. You could drop it and it was just really good. This is a Shockwave RQ-SW44. Don't be super concerned with the model number here because there's going to be different models and whatnot. Really ingrained in your mind what it looks like. And when you come across these things, obviously look them up on eBay, look them up on Amazon. These sell really well on Amazon. They also sell fantastic on eBay, Facebook Marketplace. If you can find these things working, complete, in good condition, I'm telling you right now, bada bing, bada boom, the profits are coming soon. Here's a brand that's not that great. It's Kobe. I've come across these before in the past. If you can find these brand new in the package, you're looking at 20, 30, 50 bucks, sometimes up to 100 if it's a really rare or special one. But I want to throw this in here just to share that there are other brands as well. I think another one's like GTX or GXP, I forget. It's not that popular. It's not like the Sony Toshibas or the Panasonics, but really any of the old CD players, Walkmans, cassette players from the 80s, 90s, if they're new in the package, there's a good chance they're going to be worth money. And a lot of this also relays over to the CD players as well. So yes, here's another one right here. We got a vintage Sony S2. Look for this one that has like that orange color. There's a couple different models and stuff. What makes this thing special is it's working. They said that it was tested. Always put that in the description. It'll give, buyers more confidence. The strap isn't included. So if the strap comes with it too, that's great to put around your wrist or your arm. But it comes with the original headphones, $79.99 plus 23 shipping. I don't know why shipping is so expensive. They could easily put this into a flat rate priority and protect it really well, but 80 bucks for that item. Here's another brand I didn't mention. This is General Electric. These things don't sell for as well, but if you have the original box or any of the inserts or the manual, it appears that comes with this, even a charger. It's crazy how technology is really advanced. You can make some money. If you pick this thing up over at the bins for $1, $31.55, you'd make probably over $23, $24 profit. That's why I'm saying there's a lot of money in these cassettes, even if they're broken, which I'm going to share with you in a moment. Here we have another brand, Sanyo. Not as good as the Panasonics, the Sonys, the Toshibas, $21.50. What probably hurt the value of this is they put untested. If you don't test it and you don't put in the description that it's tested, if you don't show all the pictures, but especially if you don't say that it's tested, people are going to buy it as if it's not going to work. So maybe if this thing was tested, if they put it in a description, they probably could have got more, or maybe they're just copping out and they tested it, it didn't work, and they're trying to get more money than claiming it's parts. So not sure exactly what's going on over here. This is Goodwill, so I don't put anything past Goodwill. Next on deck, we have a Sony. This is a pretty basic one. It is a little more exciting because it has a little red line going through. When you come across these Sonys, the crazier the colors, the bright yellow Walkmans, there's some weird rare ones as well. Hey, you stop scratching over there, buddy boy. They can do a little bit better. Radio and tape player functions work. The fast forward and the rewind do not work. So when you test these things, you want to make sure the power turns on, that you can rewind it, you can fast forward it. Some of these things that record, hey buddy, you're messing up the video. What are you doing? Do you want to come in the video or what? Oh my gosh, you're going to throw up? Holy mackerel, that scared he literally almost threw up on me. Okay, let's keep moving on here. No edits. Next up, we have another one of those crazy Panasonics. This one's bright yellow. It comes with the headphones. I don't know if they put in the description if it was tested or not. Yes, they did, fully tested and working. Batteries not included. I would have thought this would have gone for a little bit more money. Definitely considering that it had the original headphones, but $50 on that right there. Here we have a Sony Walkman, brand new. If you could come across anything Sony, the recorders, the tape recorders, the cassettes, the CD players, really, really big money. I pop on a lot of these off of eBay, not a lot, but a fair share, and I'll put them on Amazon FBA if you get a good deal. Sometimes people price these things way too low. This thing seems like it's priced pretty well, but $180 right here. Next on deck, what are you doing, buddy? Next on deck, we have a lot of 6 Sony Walkmans, and these are all defective. And the reason I want to share this with you is if you ever go to an auction and maybe there's a whole bin of these things and you obviously can't test them out, if you get them for a couple bucks each, there's some money to be made right here. So as you see in the description right here, it says lot of 6, defective. They sold it for $34.95, so they probably shipped it out for $10. 25 if they got it for $1 each. I mean, you can definitely 3x your money on something like this. So don't, just pass up on those. Now, when it comes to these cassettes, especially the Sony ones, there are some really rare ones. I'm not an expert when it comes to it. You got to just do your research. If they look really unique, if it's got some type of bright, vibrant color, if you test it and it works, if it comes with the accessories, bada bing, bada boom, the profits are coming soon. $200 on this one right here. I don't know what I just did. It looks like the back case might even, okay, I thought it was missing. No, look at that blue strap. How cool that looks. Anyways, there's big money in some of these ones. Here's a Panasonic one. Comes with the accessories, $59.95. Again, the goal of this is really to just inspire you and for you to open your eyes up when you're at the thrift stores. Look for these. Look up the models. Go home, test them, and see if they work. And last but not least is another Sony. Again, the bright yellow ones. If the accessories come, if it works, it's tested, you're looking 40, 50, 60 bucks all day long, even upwards to 100 if it's new, multiple hundreds. These things new on Amazon, a lot of these Walkmans are 300, 400, 500 bucks. Yes, people will pay to get it brand new and just relive their freaking memories when they were in their teens or in their 20s, 30s, whatever back in the day. So look for these things, source these things, and make sure you test them. Be honest, be ethical in your listing. And make sure if you test it and it works, really go above and beyond, give all the details because you'll make a lot more money from these items. So want to thank you guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Again, sorry we got Harry back there going absolutely wild, tearing up the carpet in the kitchen, which I'm trying to train him. It's not easy to have kittens, but appreciate you guys watching. And again, if you want to learn more about what to buy, what to sell, check out the Reseller Sourcing Handbook. You can go to rakeandprofit.com/handbook. Right now, we have a special deal going on. It's a monthly subscription. And essentially the way it works is every single day, you're going to get access to 5 brand new items, 5 brand new niches. So you're going to be able to learn about, over 1 month time, 150 new items, over 6 month time, over 900 items, over a year, over 1,800 items. And I can promise you right now, the number one thing that's going to help you to grow your business outside of, listing your items is, first and foremost, finding those items. And I can't tell you how many times I've passed up and missed and just didn't buy a certain item because I didn't have any awareness around it. You want to become aware of what to buy and sell. And I promise you, with this service right here, your brain is going to start to remember, and you're going to start to memorize what certain things are, certain brands, certain items. And I can tell you right now that this service has been helping more people than I could ever believe. And just the messages I'm getting and the way it's changing people's lives, I'm really grateful and just really, just happy to be in a position to be able to serve you guys. So if you want to learn more, check it out. I'll pin the post, put the first link in the description. But with that being said, much love. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and go out and find some cassette players and go make some money. Thanks for watching.